Ouch. Ouch, ouch. So guys, we're here in Sabaneta. I want to show you a little bit of it around the park. Right there we have the public library, municipal public library. Sabaneta has changed a lot over the years. I haven't been here for 2 years, but they're building a lot of new apartment buildings here. All of this has gone up in the last 5 years. And this was not here before, so this is all up and coming. So we're here in Sabaneta. Remember, on Sweet Wanderings by Edwin Toro. And that right there is the Aves Maria shopping center, the mall. And it's got a Smart Fit gym, it's got an Éxito, a Dollar City, and everything. And you can get easy access to a metro station from here. You got the metro buses that come from the metro up this way and from another metro station. And this is Sabaneta and the mountains over there. And those are high-rise buildings over there. Apartment buildings are older. They've been there probably for 6 years already. But this whole area became very popular in the last 10 years or so. It was a small town, but now it's just got a lot of people in it. So let's go see what we can see. So now I'm walking down this way. I'm here in Sabaneta today because I'm meeting up with a group of people. We're traveling to Strong Island, baby. Not Strong Island in terms of Long Island, New York, known by the hip-hop community as Strong Island, not Long Island, but to Isla Fuerte here on the Caribbean coast in Colombia. And that's where we're going today. And I'm meeting up with these people and we're going that way and we're gonna have fun. But for now, let's keep on this. So stay tuned for that video, or those videos about Isla Fuerte. Awesome place. No cars, no motorbikes, nothing like that. Just island, sand, and quietness in general. So let's keep looking around here. We're going towards the park. The park is about 2 or 3 blocks down that way. And we'll see what's up over there. But we gotta be careful. We're crossing the street here. I just don't want to get hit before traveling. I want to hit the beach. I haven't been to the beach in a long time. The last beach I saw was the one in Mumbai, India. The last time I saw a beach, oh no, excuse me, that was Miami Beach as well, because I had to go back through Miami before coming back to Medellin. So I was on Miami Beach, South Beach, last time around, last year, March of last year, 2019. Let's continue here. All right, so we're going towards the park. The park is in that direction. So I'm gonna pause for a moment so that way you don't have to see all of this stuff in general. And if you do want to see all of this, you let me know in the comments section, and then I'll come back on another occasion and do a longer walking tour. But for now, just a short one. You got a lot of shops, cake shops and everything. This is highly commercial nowadays, highly commercial. A lot of commerce here, all kinds of things, bakeries, people hanging out here at little tables, and they got all these baked goods in there, all these chocolate stuff, croissants, everything, casinos and everything in general. And some people don't want to wear their face mask. Once in a blue moon you catch one, not some, just once in a blue moon. So let's take a pause and we'll be right back. So here we go, we're going into the park. These are the shops. This is the old park, and they got that thing right there, that style. Everybody's hanging out in the park here, and the park at night is lit up with all these Christmas lights during the Christmas season. And you'll see all this with those mushrooms and everything totally lit up, and people out here having fun, drinking whatever, having ice cream, having some kind of dessert. They're having a mass in there. That's the church right there. That's the church. And yeah, we're here in the park, and you can hear the sermon if you can understand Spanish. How we should behave, how we should live. Let's not be pretentious, as I began with the sermon talking about whatever. So that's what he's saying. And this is the park, and this is right here, this whole thing. I haven't been here for a long time, and this is the Sabaneta Park. So you're getting a short walking tour, 6 minutes maybe maximum, of this whole thing. Now I'm gonna go around and finish up. It's just that the cops, the police are over there in another area, and if you get close to them when they're all together, they get cranky wanky And then they want to take your camera, they want to give you a hard time. It happened to me before, a couple of months ago in, what's it called? Copacabana, a municipality near Medellin, right next to Medellin. And one of the policemen, all cranky, came and approached me and said, "Hey, what are you doing? You're filming here next to the police station. That's illegal." Well, sorry, excuse me, buddy. I didn't know. Okay, I'm gonna erase it. And I showed him, look, I'm erasing it right now. And I did. So the police are over there. There were a bunch of them over there a few minutes ago, like about 3 minutes ago. There were like about 10 of them on their motorbikes. And now they want to go in, you know. They get stupid when they see you with a camera, which is not a phone camera, and then they think you're gonna do something. And all I'm doing is, yeah, something for you guys, YouTube, baby, YouTube. So here we are, La Tienda de Tocayo. The namesake, Tocayo means namesake, since 1928. That thing has been there since 1928. So if you come to Sabaneta and you want to hang out and drink some beer or whatever, I don't really promote that, but I'm just telling you, that's where it is. And that's the Justice Palace over there. And that's a mall right there with fast food restaurants. I'm going to show you that very quickly and end the video here, because you got to see a little bit of Sabaneta today. This is the town square. That's the town square right there. And this is the food court area there. They got frisbee, mimos, some other things, coffee shops, and I think they have a veggie restaurant, so I'm gonna go check it out to see if they have one. Catch you later, guys. See you next time around on Isla Fuerte, Strong Island. Well, as I'm walking to the park, I saw this area, so I checking this out for a moment. There's like a lot of restaurants around here. It's like the nightlife area of Sabaneta now. And just showing you, it looks like a beautiful little way. They got a pizza, pasta, and parrilla restaurant there. Chupa shots, where you can drink your shots. So you got these restaurants here, and fast food like salsa, rock pizza, and burger. All of these things, there's like a bunch of stuff around here, all these things. So wanted to give you a quick show about this. And I'm gonna go back, and there are people playing music in the background in their little bars and little restaurants. And even right there a sign that says they were renting out a room and all of this. So we got all this stuff. So here we are with all the fast food places, a place called Varsity right there. Varsity, like the Varsity Club and all of that, and playing music in the background. They got all these kind of crazy looking things. And yeah, this is part of it, but let's continue going towards the park, and that's Fonda San Diego. Fonda is like a roadhouse bar, a roadhouse restaurant bar, basically roadhouse bar. Okay, I see this became a pedestrian walkway here, and you got all the Christmas lights that are going up. They got all these little angel kind of looking stuff, and a lot of music in the background right there. Well, it's getting dark now. I said I wasn't going to do any more, but that's what Sabaneta looks like. This is an old house here where they sell las delicias del corredor, the hallways, delicious parts, or the porches, delicious stuff. So I'm gonna buy myself some empanadas, but I think they're fried in that oil that they use to fry other stuff. Forget about it. I'm not gonna do it. I try to stay as clean as I can on my vegetarian options. Let's see what happens, because it looks like they fried other stuff in it with meat, and I avoid that as much as I can. So this is Sabaneta.